Bed bugs are among the most dreaded pests anyone can be infested with. Proper treatment is essential to eliminating an infestation from your home, but you'd be surprised by what most homeowners know or think they know about these bugs and their habits. So in this video, we'll expose some of the false information associated with bed bugs and provide you with tips on how to get rid of these stubborn pests. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free same-day shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about bed bug control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. It's easy to believe a dirty home is bound to be infested with bed bugs, but this isn't actually the case. Due to popular media, we often associate the disorganization and clutter of an unkept house with a pest infestation of some sort. While this is true of some pests like German cockroaches, this is actually false when it comes to bed bugs. Bed bugs don't actually care if your home is clean or dirty, nor do they have a way to detect it ahead of time. Bed bugs will simply cling onto your clothing or belongings and be whisked away to your home. This is the most common way anyone gets bed bugs, by unknowingly picking them up while traveling or bringing in used, already infested furniture or objects. While you can and should do your best to keep a clean environment to prevent pest breakouts, that won't stop bed bugs from infesting the many cracks and crevices a home provides. That's why it's important to conduct a full and thorough inspection of every room or used object you come across when traveling. While bed bugs are most commonly seen at night, they're not actually nocturnal pests. A bed bug will emerge from hiding and feed whenever it's hungry. They don't operate on a day-night cycle, but tend to emerge from hiding at night because that's when most humans are resting in their beds, unaware of any bed bugs in their home. Bed bugs will emerge to feed during the day simply if there's no host available at night. This is why it's important to conduct a full inspection of your bed and the rest of your room if you suspect a bed bug infestation. Bed bugs live and hide in more than just your bed. They'll be in the box spring, bed frame, carpeting, furniture, picture frames, and electronics. Be on the lookout for droppings, blood smears, shed skin cells, eggs, or any bed bugs themselves. If you found any signs of bed bug activity, that's cause to take further action and proceed with treatment. Once bed bugs are inside, you'll notice how quick they can cling on to most objects like furniture or clothing. While you might think the quickest solution is to throw away infested belongings, you can easily end up worse for wear. This is not only very costly, but you could also end up spreading the infestation by moving your infested belongings throughout your home. The best thing you can do is leave your furniture or personal belongings in their original places while you implement the steps in our bed bug control guide. If you have to move something from the infested room, like bedding or clothes, be sure to enclose it in a sealable bag so that the bed bugs can't jump out while you move throughout your house. Start by vacuuming your floor and washing all bed sheets, covers, and fabrics inside your home. Be sure to dry them on high heat. Next, you'll need to apply a solution of Flex 1010 to your mattress. Once the mattress is treated, mix Gentrol IGR to your Flex 1010 solution, and then treat your box spring, bed frame, furniture, and floors. Be sure to spray Pyrid Insecticide Aerosol in any cracks and crevices inside the home or furniture. Finally, apply D-Fender Dust with a handheld duster to treat voids, cracks, and crevices inside your home, such as outlets or light switches. After you've applied products, finish your treatment by protecting your mattress and box spring with bed bug encasements. You'll want to leave the encasements on for at least 1 year because that's how long bed bugs can go without feeding. Periodically check for activity every 2 weeks. If you found bed bugs are still active, make reapplications of Flex 1010, Gentrol IGR, and Pyrid Aerosol until all activity is ceased. By following our step-by-step bed bug control guide on our website, you'll not only get rid of your bed bug problem, but you'll also get to keep many of your things that were previously infested. Bed bugs are some of the toughest pests to get rid of, but they're easier to control when you're armed with the correct information. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop bed bugs from infesting your home, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.